Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create a captivating vintage photo effect in Photoshop, giving your modern photos a nostalgic and timeless feel. Now, start by opening your photo in Photoshop. Choose an image that you think will look great with a vintage touch. Now, next is to duplicate the photo. All you have to do is to right click and then select duplicate layer and choose OK. So we will edit the layer 0 copy. Now please go to image and then select adjustments and choose photo filter. Now here, a window will pop up. All you need to do is to choose the filter and we will select the sepia and then adjust the density here. I will choose 100 and click OK. So we will add some noise to make it look more vintage. So go to filter and then select noise and then choose add noise. Now here you can adjust the settings on how much noise you will add. For me, I will choose 23% and then click OK. So as you can see, the picture is now looking more like a vintage photo. So to complete the vintage look, you can add scratches or dust particles if you wish. There are many free vintage texture overlays available online that you can apply to your image. And that's it! You now know how to create a beautiful vintage photo effect in Photoshop, giving your modern photos a charming, nostalgic twist. The vintage look adds a unique character to your photos and can evoke powerful emotions. Remember to experiment with different settings and textures to create your own vintage style. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a vintage photo effect in Photoshop. See you on my next video.